Advanced vocabulary, C1 level, 25 questions. If you score over 20, your English is seriously impressive. Let's see what you've got. Question 1. The company decided to blank operations in 3 new countries. Question 2. Her speech was so blank that the entire audience gave her a standing ovation. Question 3. He has a knack for remembering people's names even years later. Question 4. The new regulations will blank into force next January. Question 5. I didn't want to blank any conclusions before hearing both sides of the story. Question 6. The government is facing blank criticism for its handling of the crisis. Question 7. After months of negotiations, they finally blank in agreement. Question 8. She managed to blank her fear of public speaking through constant practice. Question 9. The investigation revealed several blank in the security system. Question 10. His behavior was completely blank. Nobody expected him to react that way. Question 11. The professor's explanation was lucid and easy to follow despite the complex topic. Question 12. She has a thorough understanding of international trade law. Question 13. The CEO assumed full responsibility for the company's financial losses. Question 14. His latest novel has earned widespread acclaim from critics worldwide. Question 15. The sudden change in policy caused considerable confusion among employees. Question 16. She took a deep breath and stepped onto the stage. Your vocabulary might be advanced, but can you actually use these words in a real conversation without hesitating? From Stuck to Fluent bridges that gap. 500 phrases, 30 days, and you'll stop searching for words. Link in the description. Question 17. The journalist shed light on a corruption scandal that had been hidden for years. Question 18. It took months to assess the damage caused by the flooding. Question 19. His comments were taken out of blank and used against him. Question 20. The charity event blank over $2 million for cancer research. Question 21. She spoke with such blank that everyone believed every word she said. Question 22. The team had to contend with several unexpected setbacks during the project. Question 23. The report revealed significant differences between the two groups. Question 24. Her ability to remain calm under blank is what makes her a great leader. Question 25. The discovery could blank the way for a new generation of treatment. That's 25 C1 level done. How many did you get right? If you scored over 20, your vocabulary is at a really advanced level. Drop your score in the comments. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next quiz.